So starting the test drive in the 24 Explorer XLT, the 2.3 EcoBoost, it has some pull to it. It's certainly not the ST, but it does have pretty good acceleration, especially for this, I guess, more basic engine that still gets you 21 miles per gallon city, 28 highway. So to have something that gets up like this does with that kind of fuel economy is impressive. Now the overall driving dynamics so far, what you'd expect from an SUV of this caliber. The seat, decent in terms of just the overall durability of it and just how it holds me up. A little too plush for me, but it might be because I have this bigger jacket on. But I would like a seat that hugs just a tad bit more. But I'm used to driving a Mach-E, so that might be part of what's going on here. But very quiet in the cabin. Of course, I'm not giving it much throttle, but road noise around 35 is minimal. As I'm coming downhill here, it did want to downshift. And with it having the 10 speed, it does like to shift quite a bit. And that could be good or bad depending on what you're trying to do. And I will say with these bigger 20s, I can feel the road a bit more than I'm used to feeling with the 18-inch wheels. But I think it's worth it just for the overall looks. Having those wheels makes a big difference. I'm gonna give it a little pull coming out of this corner here. And I'm gonna put in a sport and give it one getting on the interstate here in a minute. So definitely peppy. And we'll give it one more slight pull getting on the interstate here. So especially just under mild throttle, very impressive. We're gonna test out the co-pilot system here. So I have lane centering, adaptive cruise. Gonna put it into eco mode. But yeah, cabin acoustics in here are pretty good. Even on this rougher stretch of the interstate. But I think this is a pretty good competitor for the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and of course Chevy's Traverse. And I just think Ford's a little ahead of the game before everybody's redesigns come out, but just an impressive SUV for the money and definitely has good power. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Ford Explorer XLT.